Hello all. Today I'm going to show you about soil moisture sensor with Arduino. So let's go to Tinkercad website, log into Tinkercad website and then go home and select design and then create circuit. So you get a circuit design page. So select Arduino and soil moisture sensor. I'll rotate the okay, it's in the right position. Alright, now so now you have a very huge farm with lots of different types of crops going on your field, and if you want to irrigate your field, it will be, if it is manual work, then think about the field, if it, check whether it's dry or not dry, and based on the situation of the soil, you have to irrigate the land. So think about how we can automate this. So they check if the soil is dry or wet and tell Arduino about it. Arduino listens to the soil sensor data and decides when to turn on the water. Corn likes a lot of water, but wheat doesn't need as much. Arduino knows this. When a soil sensor in the corn field says the soil is dry, Arduino tells the water system to turn on and water the corn. Waits before watering. So by using soil sensor and Arduino on the farm, watering becomes automatic. It's like having a helper who knows exactly when and how much water each crop needs. This saves energy. Okay, now let's do the connectivity between the soil sensor and the Arduino. So here if you see VCC, this VCC we can connect to 3 volt, 3.3 and ground, and we'll change this color to black. And this signal I'm giving to analog signal. So in my previous video I have mentioned about analog and a wide range of results from 0 to 1023. So let's go to the code, and I'm going to provide the existing code. So let's create a variable. So I always create the variable with smaller case, and the next character of the word will become the capital case. So this is called as camel case. So soil is in smaller case, and is variable. So the second word's starting character will be always capital. So this is how normally in software industry the variable naming are done. So we know that the soil sensor sends the signal to analog A0 pin. So let's set this variable. This variable is like a box where we store the A0 value in the soil measure, and we will be using it later. So let's go to the input, and here can you see this block, read analog pin A0. So that's what I'm going to put here. So what this means is with the value that is coming from A0. So that's what it is here. Let's print out this and see what we can see in the serial monitor. So what this one says is print to serial monitor where you can see the results. So this is the serial monitor. So when you open this, you will see the results. So if you say hello world here, it will print only hello world here. But we want the soil moisture value. So I'm going to variable. So let's run this in a simulator and see what value we are seeing in this serial monitor. So right now it shows 0 because I haven't simulated with and it says completely inside this spec. So when you drag this button in the middle or the end, in the numbers gets changed. So I want to soil moisture less than 250 water grams. If the soil moisture is more than 250, don't water grams. So that's what I'm going to decide on this. So how we can do that? Stop. I'm going to use a if-else condition. If the soil moisture is less than 250, then I wanted to water the plant. So let me bring this block here, and soil moisture is less than 250, so then you have to go to math and take this block. And here, this one, if soil moisture, we already stored A0 to the soil moisture this way, so you can you want soil moisture value is now need water to the plants. Water the plant, okay? So that's what I'm going to print here. Soil is dry, water the plants. And this one, moisture is good. Soil is good. So that's what I'm saying. So and automatically turn on the water. On the else condition, you turn off the water. So you can do what we like here. So let's see. You break the middle. This soil is good. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this soil moisture demo. Okay, now we go to text. So once you change from block to text, you can't go back to block editor. So this code, select all, copy this, and go to Arduino, IDE, and connect your Arduino and upload the code, and try to assemble the so we new here, and select all, control V. So I got the soil moisture code. So check whether it works first. It's compiling, and after it's compiled, upload it. But before uploading, fix your circuit in Arduino. It's being uploaded into your Arduino, but right now it's compiling. It's uploading now. So thanks for watching this video. Do it in your Arduino and test this